Touring Da Nang.
Hello, my YouTube friends and families. Thank you for watching yet another one of my videos. I feel so blessed each time I see someone watch it, like, subscribe. Even more blessed when you comment, because I'm a solo traveler. So when you comment, I feel like, have someone to talk to. So comment, ask questions, anything. Within reason, please. So I'm still here in Da Nang. I will be here in Da Nang for another 3 weeks. And then my visa expires, because Vietnam gives you 90 days. And then my visa expires. So then I have to leave. I could either do a border run or I leave the country. The flights are usually very cheap. So I usually take the opportunity to fly to my next favorite country, stay a little bit, and then decide where do I want to go next. Usually my plan is, this country and then the next. And when I booked my reservation, I book all my reservations weekly. So if I get up and I'm like, I'm ready to go, I don't need to feel as if, I cannot leave. I used to do Airbnb and I used to book it for the month. And then I find that when the area isn't to my liking, I'm stuck. Because financially being retired, I am on a limited budget. So I have to stay. So because of that, I'm going to make another video to show you how I make my reservations and all the savings that I get. Today, we are going to be walking around the city of Da Nang, beautiful city, more down by the beach. Usually I hang out by the Intercoastal. Today I decided to go by the beach and show you around so that when you do come to the Da Nang, like this is a city, this is a tourist section. You see all the tourist stuff, the crafts, the hats, so I decided today to walk around town and give you a feel as to, how the tourist section is. As I said in my previous videos, I usually stay in the local areas because I just love meeting locals. So let's go.
Retirement is a state of mind, a time to reassess what is important to you. Take control of your life back.
We are in the busiest part of Da Nang. When I first came to Da Nang, this is where I stayed. And I actually stayed at that hotel, which is the Sun Hotel. Because at the Sun Ocean Hotel, I paid $21 a night. They had the pool, they had buffet breakfast, they had a nice hot bathtub, clean. So it was really, really very good at only $21 a night. You can see it's very, very busy down here. Very busy. And since I started coming to Da Nang over a year now, Da Nang has just exploded. Like constructions everywhere. Everything is changing so rapidly. But I still love Da Nang. It's still beautiful. So let's walk around for a little bit. I'm looking for a nice, quiet, Vietnamese preferably, restaurant, because I haven't really eaten.
Another great thing, the food prices are so affordable.
Do I have lunch?
Yeah. Or
Let me see here where it's lighted. Cool. Thank you. Thank you. Nice and quiet. can sit and have a little chat. Then afterwards, we're gonna go and tour the town a little bit, just so you can see, 2-for-1 special. You get to see the town, and you get to see dine in the street. Beautiful. I have really started trying to watch what I eat, especially when I eat out. And that's why I like with Da Nang, because where I'm staying now, I have a kitchen. And you can pay like $15, $17, and you get a really nice apartment with a kitchen and a washing machine. So my monthly bill is like $400 a month. But I'm gonna tell you all about how I do it and show you how feasible it is. If you're thinking to retire and you're thinking that you want to explore Vietnam, at least you'll have your numbers to crunch. Which I did this in my retirement before I retired. I wish I had, did some research, but it worked out. That's better. So he's gonna show me how to do rice paper.
You take a photo of each dish before I ruin it.
All right, photo of the dish. There. How to use rice paper?
Yeah, this is rice paper.
Yeah, hold on. You go ahead.
Yeah. You take for me about 2 layers of rice paper. Take like this, and add some vegetable inside. This is mango, sour mango.
Oh, darn mango. Ooh. Green mango. Cucumber.
And take a random meat. I will take this, put it inside, roll it. Freeze it a bit, and take the steak off. Before you eat it,
Yeah.
dip it in the fish sauce
Oh,
first.
before I eat it, I
Yeah.
have to dip it in here. Ain't that is some? I'm gonna mess my clothes up. So this now, rice paper, wrap it, and you dip it in the sauce. Check it out. All this new stuff we're learning up in here. Look at that. Very good.
Okay, hope you chew the dish.
Come on. And no carb. Look at that. No carb.
That was undoubtedly one of my best meals ever. So we're walking a little bit away from the beach. And as you walk a little bit away from the beach, of course, it gets a little less touristy. See that we just went 2 blocks. Da Nang City is really very small. We just went 2 blocks. And look, the beach is down there, and we just went 2 blocks. Still have people that pump gas. Hi. Hello.
Tala.
Tala. I love Vietnamese. They're so friendly. I just love them. I do. You notice how we're getting more remote as we're going out of town? So I wanted to show it to you, and I'm going to show you on Google Maps where we are. So if you look, we just walked 2 blocks to here. This is a very popular street to walk. That's why I wanted to show it to you. We'll be making a square shape today, going down to the beach. So I can also show you Da Nang Beach, really beautiful and clean. Such a great place to be. What I love about Da Nang is that it's so developed, but it's still so rustic, You know, you feel as if you're in the islands in a third world country, but it has so many amenities and facilities of a first world. And look at their store. Look at that little store. Isn't that cute? Hardware store. Salon. Isn't that cute? Look at their nail salon. Where they used to wash her feet. Isn't that so different? Oh, let's look at the price. You're gonna want to know that. The price is for manicure and pedicure. Okay. So you know when you want to come and get your nails done. Look how they all leave their shoes. When you go here, you leave your shoes on the outside. You're not permitted to take your shoes inside. Their floors are usually immaculately clean. So you change your shoes and they give you a clean slippers to put on because they don't want you to try the door from the outside inside. See how their pharmacy is? Very small. Most of their pharmacies are very small. See how rustic it is when you go here and then when you turn here. It's two totally different. So let's head on down to the beach. I want to show you the beach before we wrap this up. Because her journey is for better and better. And as we go closer to the beach, you can see yet again, just a lot different. You can definitely see that we're back into the tourist section just on the space of just one block. It's me. Once you move one block here, one block there, 2 streets there, you're out of the tourist section. But that's the cool thing about it because it gives you that rustic feel like you're on the island. You know, because some places it's developed as this and some places 2 blocks away. So I'm hoping that I'm giving you, you know, a good feel of, you know, what Da Nang is about. There are so many new constructions since I was here just a year going up because everyone is trying to buy real estate here in Da Nang. Now the beach is right there. We're just gonna stop and take a quick detour with this store. I'm not gonna ruin the surprise because I want to show you how interesting it is and why I wanted to stop. I think you'll find it interesting. Let's go. This store sells some awesome stuff that you didn't think would exist. Dried mangoes, we know that. Dried tamarind. This is Mongola, but that's not what we're here. I'm gonna show you. Check these out. This is dried squid. They just take the squid and dry it. If you love seafood, dry fishes. They dry all the seafoods you can think of. All dried seafood. Amazing. Okay, so off we go down to the beach. I wanted to show that to you because it's amazing. I've never seen dried seafood before. So we're right across the street from the beach.
We have made it to the beautiful beach strip in Da Nang.
I have to say, one thing you will appreciate once you visit other countries is that in Da Nang, there are no peddlers on the beach. So you can sit, relax, and no one is there to bother you. Really an awesome, clean beach. You know, quiet, no peddlers, no one to bother you. You can really sit and relax. This is my favorite time of year. It's a little rainy, but it's not hot. Tides are very high. You can see the surfers. So today we had a whole full tour around the major part of Da Nang where the tourist stays. I hope I covered any questions you may have. If I haven't, please type them in the comment section below. And I'm here for another 3 weeks. Hello. Hi. So that just about wrap it up for this video. Until we meet again, thank you so much for joining me.
As you tour through life challenges, take comfort in the fact that you have your health and strength. Take your life back.